it's very dangerous to work with William Ruto.
Uriri ndeto cianjia about a possible handshake gatagati wa former president Uhuru Kenyatta na William Ruto. Jeremiah Kioni ni akorwo akiyumiria na timu yake ya kiama kia Jubilee. Nitoi former president Uhuru Kenyatta is the party leader wa kiama kiu kia Jubilee, koguo miario ya Kioni yakorwo ikiorotwo teria ikiri ya president hau kabere Uhuru Kenyatta, na miario yagitiga andu matukanirwo kuona gatheti imwe ya guku bururi-ini ni gukoretwo yathecithia ndeto ikorirwo igitiga andu makigegete kuigwa ati Uhuru Kenyatta ni ara consider a handshake na President William Ruto.
Hata hii kitu ya EU ni uongo.
Kioni akorwo ageikia President William Ruto twara maitho akimunengenera na kumunyururia ni undu wa maheni make. Riu andu makiurania kana press conference eno yekwo ni kiama kia Jubilee ni njira ya kuhoria ndeto ici iguthondeketwo ciegi handshake ya Uhuru na President Ruto gugutwikaga in the possible handshake ya Ruto na Uhuru. Former CS wa ugima mwega wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe ni akuheo wira ta minister wa ugiteri hamwe na former governor wa Kuria Laikipia Nderitu Muriithi, but wote Jeremiah Kioni akorwo akiaria fiu kionania if at all those talks are kana were ongoing. Jubilee Party cannot trust William Ruto not to betray them, kuona Kioni akorwo akiuga Ruto always lies, agitenderithia ati arahenereirie baba etikire uhoro uyu wigie Adani just to betray him.
And it's very dangerous to work with William Ruto. He can kill your career. Hata hii kitu ya EU ni uongo.